Cell Awareness YouTube channel. I'm your personal patient advocate, Monica. But before we get started with today's video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly updates on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today's video, I am going to make a fit and wellness smoothie. Let's get started. This is what the package looks like. And this is what each individual cut package look like on the inside. Now we'll put it in my NutriBullet. What I'm going to add is black seed oil. Make sure you get a good look at that. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of that. I'm going to add beet powder. It already comes with the spoon, so I'm using the scoop on the inside. And I am going to add Veggie water. It's frozen. Just right, it's not too sweet. And it is good. I have been so fatigued lately and I haven't been eating right, so I've started back making my smoothies in the morning. And in the description section, I'm going to add some of the previous smoothies that I've made. And what I'm going to do this morning is do my top priority list because this is my breakfast for this morning, so I can get my energy back. And I usually do it on my board. I usually do the top 3 things that I'm going to do, or top 3 priorities each day. Number one, I need to upload and schedule videos. I also need to call my immune doctor. Number three is work on cell presentation. These are my top three priorities. I need to upload and schedule my other YouTube videos, call my immune doctor to see if they reopen the office. And I'm so excited because an organization has asked me to do a sickle cell presentation via Zoom. So I'll be a part of that team, and you'll hear about that in the future. When I get more details, of course, I'll upload that on my social media page. So until next time, stay hydrated and stay well. Goodbye.